Humor is a powerful tool for connecting with others and lightening difficult situations. And tapping into your own sense of humor may be easier than you think. Laughter is often unconscious and contagious, making it more likely to occur in social settings. Key factors that provoke laughter include feeling superior, unexpected outcomes, and relief from anxiety. You can find humor even in mundane circumstances, appreciate witty wordplay, and recognize irony, which arises from the gap between expectations and reality. Self-deprecating jokes tend to resonate well, and knowing your audience is crucial, as humor varies widely among individuals. Finally, surprising your listeners by misdirecting their expectations can enhance the comedic effect, allowing you to create memorable and relatable moments through laughter.